If only I could turn back time, I'd do everything differently.
Maya, please wake up. You promised we'd grow old together. How am I supposed to live without you?
Have you ever wondered how creators make cinematic AI storytelling videos like this? In this video, I'll show you my complete workflow, from writing the story with AI to creating visuals, editing in CapCut, and publishing on YouTube. Let's get started. The first thing I do is create the story. You can write it yourself or use ChatGPT to help you. Now let's head over to ChatGPT and I'll show you exactly how I generate my AI story. Here, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a short emotional story and divide it into scenes. This makes it much easier to create AI visuals later. If I'm not happy with the story, I simply ask ChatGPT to refine it. I can ask it to make it more emotional, add more suspense, improve the ending, or include any other details I want. Step 3. Break the story into scenes. Ask ChatGPT to break the story into short, detailed scenes. For each scene, create a detailed text-to-image prompt. Include the characters' outfits for every scene using modern clothing only. Describe the environment, lighting, camera angle, facial expressions, emotions, and actions. Step 4. Generate dialogue for each scene. Ask ChatGPT. Based on the scene breakdown, generate dialogue. Keep it short, realistic, and engaging. Step 5. Generate all character reference images. Ask ChatGPT to create all the main characters. I generate all my characters before creating the scenes because this helps me maintain consistency throughout the story. Step 6. Save and crop the character image. Go to your gallery, save the character images, crop each character individually. Keep them ready as reference images. Step 7. Create the videos in Flow AI. Upload the character reference image, add your scene prompt, add the dialogue, generate each scene.
I'm sorry, Amina. You're not what we're looking for.
Was there something I did wrong? Step 8. Edit in CapCut. Import all clips. Arrange the scenes. Add voiceover. Add background music. Add sound effects. Add captions.
I'm sorry, Amina. You're not what we're looking for.
Was there something I did? Step 9. Prepare and upload the video to YouTube. Part 1. Use ChatGPT to help with YouTube packaging. After editing my video, the next thing I do is prepare everything I need before uploading to YouTube. I use ChatGPT to help me create a strong title, description, hashtag, and tags that match my video. Now create the thumbnail. Next, I create my thumbnail. I can use AI tools to help generate thumbnail ideas, text, and designs that are eye-catching and match the topic of my video. Part 3. Upload to YouTube Studio. Finally, I move over to YouTube Studio and upload my video. And that's my complete AI storytelling workflow, from creating the story with ChatGPT to generating visuals, editing in CapCut, and uploading the final video to YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more AI tips, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. I'll see you in the next one.